Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naeem Azam, Chief Market Analyst at Avatrade, and welcome to our daily technical analysis video in which we will be talking about Bitcoin and the current sell-off the cryptocurrency, shall we say, is facing, and why we believe this is a big opportunity. So let's have a deeper conversation on that. As always, just a bit of a disclaimer, which is right in front of you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Now, folks, we're going to bring out the MT4 platform and we will begin the conversation by looking at the daily chart. First of all, we will begin by saying what we discussed yesterday in our analysis. Remember, we talked about this negative divergence with respect to Bitcoin, meaning the price had a high and then it made a higher high. So the price was clearly moving in an upward trend. But when we focus on the RSI, the relative strength index, it shows that yes, we have a high over here, but we don't not have another high. So the RSI made a lower high. So that confirmed there was a negative divergence, meaning a retracement was coming and it was very clear from this particular point. And hence that is exactly what we have seen in the market. Now the question really is, where did this particular Bitcoin is really going to go? How low can it go? Can we continue to see this retracement coming? Because on the daily time frame, there is no doubt that the price, number one, violated the support zone, which we mentioned yesterday, but now the candle is looking immensely bullish because this is a bullish candle. But let's switch the time frame and go on to the 4-hour time frame and see exactly what we are seeing. So we have two different possibilities to look at. Number one is, first of all, we have to define our new support zone, which I believe is going to be between 51,000 to 52,000, just where the 200 and 100-day simple moving average is trading. So this is the next area of support that we are very much focused on. Now, with respect to the current buying pressure that we are seeing, what we have to focus on is if the price can break above the 50-day simple moving average. The moment the price breaks above the 50-day simple moving average, that could be your signal that the price has reversed its direction, and now it is very much likely to continue to move to the upside. Remember, because on the daily time frame, we are seeing this bullish candle popping up, and overall we are still very much trading above the 50, 100 and 200-day simple moving averages, which confirms that the price is very likely to move to the upside. So once again, to summarize, if the price breaks above the 50-day simple moving average, that could be your signal that this particular price action is going to continue and it will challenge the previous highs, and from there onwards the momentum, the price will continue its journey towards the 70,000 price level, and that could be the next target. However, if the price fails to break above the 50-day simple moving average, then we are likely to see the prices moving towards the 100 and 200-day simple moving averages on your 30-minute time frame. Sorry, on your 4-hour time frame. And as for your 30-minute time frame, we are waiting for the price to break above the 30-day simple moving average. Although we are seeing another bearish signal forming, which means the 50 is dropping below, 100 is dropping below the 200-day simple moving average, and the 50 has already crossed below the 100 and the 200-day simple moving average, which, by the way, hasn't happened in a long time, because the last time we saw the 50 dropping below the 100 and 200 was over here, and at the time we saw some decent retracement. But now it seems like that, of course, the price has been oversold over here, and there are greater chances for the prices to move above the 50-day simple moving average. So one of the signal that you could really see is the price breaking above the 50-day simple moving average. You can take that as your positive signal, as your buy signal, or on the other side, you just wait for the price to break above the 50-day simple moving average on the 4-hour time frame. All right, that's all for now, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.